we are going to explain how to connect two fiber optic reels. First, remove the connector caps. These are SC duplex connectors. The main connector which I'm holding is a simplex connector. Remove the caps. Now place the nut on each fiber optic. Now the packing and then the screw. Now place the connectors. Use pressure to connect the screw on the connector and place the packing inside the screw. Now tighten the nut. And with this we have two fiber optic cable reels connected with dust and water protection. Here we have an example on how to convert our fiber optic to copper, or UTP. Directly connect the fiber optic to a media converter. With this we can have a link, CCTV, voice and data, or any trunk device which you wish to communicate.